well, got this just unhooked, obviously. I'm gonna try to get this gearbox off here, and then, because this has got like a ring and pinion in it, essentially. So, I didn't think putting a shaft in a gearbox on a Bushhog was on the schedule for this year, but looks like it come on up. So let's do it. You're gonna be learning as much as I'm learning. First thing we want to do is get the drive shaft off, that clutch and disc assembly, and then we get the unit off there. So let's get it. Well, we broke the shaft. So now I need to do some parts checking, because it's not ideal. If that's the only point of contact there is, that's pathetic. And seriously. So next video, we'll probably go ahead and get this dude tore down. Or let me source some parts. Source parts. And we'll go from there. Yep. It's lubricated. Anyway, see y'all on the next one. Subscribe, because it's getting expensive. See y'all. Got the old Bushhog gearbox off from last video. I decided I might as well just take it apart now, figure out if there's anything else broken. Alright. So I'm going to assume this is a seal and there's like a snap ring behind it, so let's get it out. Come on. Really? Need a good pair of diapers. So good pair. It is freaking steamy today. Yeah, just a bearing. Go ahead and pull off these bolts here and see what we got. I really figured it would have been a snap ring to hold that bearing in place. Jet bearings. It's just stuck on the shaft. I hate oil, I hate grease. Makes me somewhere. So we need 3/4. $19. I need another extension. Gonna make it or break it. I couldn't get that roll pin out. Contact engaged. Off a little bit. Something's gotta move, you know what I mean? You don't have a lot of room to, because this gear won't fit down in between here. This gear won't fit down in this gap. So I gotta, that's why it's sitting on bearings. Shit ain't budging. Still spins. It's just freaking giant. Or it ain't supposed to go this way, it goes the other way. I don't know. after hours, and I say that really lightly, got her all down and apart. Ended up not being able to get the roll pin off. Oh, my back. So, that's the way it went. Multiple drill bits broken. We got her. I just cleaned my hands, so I really don't want to touch this. Sit still. Easy out. Actually, that is the roll pin right there. But there's an easy out in it. That's the bottom. Then there's a drill bit, and the top broke off. So it's fine. It's great. Glad to be alive. Well, anyway, I'm gonna check on some. I'm gonna do some internet shopping, so that way I can be shocked or not shocked. When I go to the local place, I'll probably be shocked, I had to guess. But anyway.